Okay, it's like okay. Arms, yeah, right. See, I don't know what's the voice quality and the. I think the quality is good. Okay. Uh, as if you don't know, I'm Zolo and this is my channel. And yeah, I will be talking today about Ishimoku. Yeah, to A to Z, not 1 to 100. Yeah, it's 101 means it's first and only thing you have to. Right? I have like background you can see until death or defeat is psychological, but yeah, if you lost money, it's not psychological. It's very very bad. Yeah, but that's how trading goes, right? Okay, so what are we seeing in this video? Like what's Ishimoku basic to advanced his trading strategies and example of some trades, like and many more things, right? So yeah, what's Ishimoku? Ishimoku or Ishimoku Kinkoyo is like its absolute meaning is at a glance. You can see the market at a glance. Like if you go and open an Ishimoku, open a chart and enter Ishimoku as an indicator, it will just be a layout upon the price, right upon the candles, and it will just be like I have to show this like this. I know it's a complicated system of these lines and these all things. If you are like a rational trader, you don't see any indicator, and you are an experienced trader, then it's a little bit of like a complication or a, like more complicated things, right? So who developed it? It's just a Japanese journalist, Koichi Soda, and its team. He nearly took 20 years, right? In the 1930s, when the stock prices come in the newspaper, he just write down all the open price, close price, not like today, when like in the 1 minute time frame what's happening, right? It's a multifaceted technical analysis tool that provides insight into market trends, momentum, and potential trading signals. Yeah. It tells you about the momentum, tells you about the market trend and the trading signal potential, right? Okay. So it's a technical analysis, right? So does technical analysis work? Uh, I don't know. Basically, if drawing a few lines on the chart can get you money, then why 99% people fail, right? Why most experienced trader even can't beat the market? Yeah, market return, Nasdaq or Dow Jones returns, right? Th- There's a thing. Why only contrarian approach? Like only 1% people can gather money, right? Say if you think trading is an easy job, trading is like easy. If you see market going up, you buy. Market going down, you sell. I bet you won't make it. Yeah, you won't make it because as hard as you can see a job or a doctor degree or an engineer degree, you have to give your 5 years, you have to give your 3 years, you have to get internship, you have to get practical approach, practical handheld approach in it. It's same in this market. The longer you and the longer time you give, the longer the capital your grows, right? Time is directly proportional to money in this case, right? And there is an absolute star. Okay. On the one hand, I am saying technical analysis doesn't work, but how Ishimoku works then? See, Ishimoku is not a like it's a technical analysis too, but it what it does is it has a EMA, which 5 lines I was talking about. They were all EMAs, all calculated upon the midpoints. Yeah, it is calculated upon the midpoint, not the top and the bottom. It's calculated upon the midpoints of the 9 and 26 candle, not on the basis of a certain EMA like a 50, 20, or 10. It's basically calculated on 9 and 26. Right? We will talk more about this, and it only provides a direction on the basis of previous candles. It tells us about the present condition, and it is a lagging indicator, right? It also present future Kumo, right? In the future Kumo, you will know that where will the market will go. It is not certain, it is not 100%, but it does tell, right? What are the Ichimoku five lines or the five EMAs I was talking about? First one is Tenkan-sen, second is Kijun-sen, third is Chico-span. You don't have to remember, you just have to see and just learn. Because the more you see, the more you learn, the more you gather information, and the more the higher chances of your probability of like winning a trade of like not least, right? So these four and five combined make the cloud, right? And the cloud tells us about the market direction and the market momentum, right? Yeah, it is momentum, it is direction, it is trend, it is a complete setup, right? I have open about here. Mm, it is a complete. Okay, I have not written it, right? Okay, my bad. So right, this is the chart. When you apply, when you go to indicators, you search Ishimoku, and then this come, then you will see. Right. Okay. First, let's talk about the red one. What is this red? This is the EMA, and this is a slow moving EMA. This is baseline, or also called as Kijunsen. Right. It is slow moving EMA because it is 26 or 27. I don't remember now, but you don't have to remember what they do. You have to remember how they do and how well are the backtesting results are, right? If you have a setup, no matter how bad it looks, how bad um, it is like for everyone else, but if it's paying you, if it can generate money, then it's the best, right? So you can see it's the slow moving EMA, and the blue one is you see it's the fast moving or the 9 EMA, and this is 26. And these two, which which is forming the cloud, is also EMA 27 and 54, right? These are 27 and 54 EMA, which are plotted ahead of 26 candle. If the market is here, then it is plotted here because it is 26 candle ahead, and the Chico span is exactly the same. It is plotted 26 candles like past. Like if you see N wave coming down, going down, you will see N wave coming down, right? It is just a line chart, but 26 candles below. Yeah, it's line chart. You will see Chico span or lagging span. See Chico span, Kijun Sen, Tenken Sen is are all Japanese name. I know it's too much for you at the same time, but just bear up with me for more 5 minutes. I bet you will like learn something or be efficient. Right? My English is not good. Yeah, it's just that things. Okay, leave these things. So you see cloud. You see these three lines. In the cloud also there are two lines. So these combined makes five lines, right? Five lines trading system. This is Ichimoku. That's all, right? You can pause. You can see this is just complete trading setup, right? Let's see. Okay, so we will talk about the basics first. What are the basic trading strategies in the Ishimoku, right? So first, what we have to do is we have to identify trend. Like this is the first trading strategy. Yeah, you have to see the price. You have to see the cloud. If the cloud is red, that's mean it's downtrend. You see here, the price is supported, like is supported by the cloud, and it has gone down. You see, that means if the price get broken by the cloud, then it's mean the trend is changed, right? If you can see here, when the price broke the cloud, the trends change. It's green now, right? Second one is just the simple cross, just the dead cross, golden cross. What is golden cross? When the market, okay, I will show you. Right, this is golden cross. When the red line crosses above the blue line, when the slow moving average cross the no, when the fast moving average is cross the slow moving average, and the price also goes above, and similarly the Chico span also goes above. At the same time, these things when occur, it is called golden cross, and the like the Kumo color also changes, right? And this is called dead cross when the slow moving average cross the fast moving average, right? You can see how you have to enter and how you have to exit, right? You understanding this? This is just simple. Just see the trend, just see the like the cross, the golden or dead cross. Right here is dead cross because the red one is a slow moving average and blue one is a fast moving average. You can see the most of the time if the trend is good and the price will not break the fast moving average, but with certainty if you are in crypto or in other thing it will break. But if you are in forex or a more reserve currency, then it, if it is a good trend also, then it will not broke. And if it broke, then it can take a resistance from here and then go down. I- Sorry for the interruption, but yeah, someone called me. Okay, simple, right? The breakout of the price, Kumo turned the shape of the color, turned the color. Sorry, and also the Chico span crosses below the Chico span crosses above the. This is also a trading strategy that Chico span when goes above the Kumo, you take a buy. When it goes below the Kumo, you take a sell. Right? Same with Kumo twist. The Kuma twist because of the price going up or down. If the price goes above the Kuma, then the Kuma go to be green, and if it cross below the Kuma, then it's like red. Right? You can see here red, green. Right? Okay. Same with breakout strategy that if there's a certain level of breakout of a point of a certain like a certain point breakout and a Kumo changes color and the golden crosses happen, then you have to take a buy. That's a best buy for me also and for you too, right? Now uh, we go to the advanced part. Yeah, I will say most advanced, but yeah, there's two three things which you have to see, right? First one is Kumo bounce. You have seen breakout, but you are late. You have seen market now. It is here and you want to enter in, you think the price will go up, you think there are economic stability, there is a Fed speech that will come and etc things, and you have expected that an intraday trend change, right? You have confirmed it, then you can take up, right? And then you have to hold it till the trend continues. See, what is important is not buying, not selling. It is holding a trade. It is cutting your losses and just holding a trade as long as the trend happens. I know it's virtually impossible, but that's what you have to develop over the period of time you are in the market, right? Second is reversal strategy. If you are seeing the Como green and the price is going up, right? So you have to see if it is breaking a like what you can see a trend line or breaking or forming a structure. Yeah, I know it's technical, but you have to trust these technicals too. Because if the market is there and you are in the market, then you have to trust your instincts, you have to trust your a system that you have made over it, right? You have to see this advanced strategy if you are backtesting, and you have to see, like if you see W pattern and you are seeing a breakout, a Komodo twist and these things, then you are certainly take a buy, right? Because if there is a downtrend, then and there is a range, then uptrend is 100%, right? Because a range attracts another range. If there is a range, there is a trend, and there is a trend, then there is a range here, 101%, right? It's Ichimoku 101, right? So a range attracts another range, so a trend happens. Why a trend happen? because a range attracts another range, right? It's not because of a, yeah, I know it's technical, but yeah, because I will not go further than this. Yeah, I know I sometimes do further. Okay, so it's like a full now trading example. How will you take a trade? What will you do? Everything, right? From the start to the end. First, you have to identify that the price is when you enter the market, like when you open the trading view, you see the price is trading here. The Kumo is green, the Kumo is thick, right? I have not added the Kumo part. See, when the Kumo is like this, it is range, absolute range. If the Senko span A, this is Senko span A, and this is also Senko span A, you can see red part. See, when the downtrend happens, the Senko span A comes above the top, and when the uptrend happens, it goes below, right? So you have to see the Senko span A and Senko span B. It's how thick is the cloud, then it's the big, the momentum of the trend, right? And how low is this Kumo? Then the range will happen. Most probably, it's range, right? And it is a uptrend of good amount of time, right? But it is a 15 minute of chart. So see, it's what I do is on the daily time, right? And I will say you all to start from the daily, and then you can go to the 15:5, or I will not say to the 1 minute. But if you are a beginner, then it's very 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 of uh, my thing to tell you that you have to start from the day. It's just bullshit if you are starting from 5 minutes, right? Because I know you are not seeing economic stuff. I know you are not seeing any political stuff. So if you are taking a buy and the market goes up, then you don't know why it's up, right? And if you are taking a buy like say here, and it goes down here, and you are not cutting your losses, I think your chance of survival in this market is between -1 to +1, right? That is zero. Yeah. So when you have identified a trend, then you have to see a breakout, right? The breakout has happened. A key a key level of breakout has to happen, right? Key level breakout has happened, and then a pullback has happened, right? Then you have to take a trade and hold as you can, right? If it not breaking any previous previous key level, then you can hold it, right? Hold on till break of key level, right? You see how a price goes. You see, this was the before, this was the after, right? Okay, so this was the full video of the presentation which I was like showing you. So now is the conclusion. The conclusion is first, Ishimoku is only good for swing traders. You can't expect big gain, right? You have to enter on a like key breakout level when you have identified a trend, right? Holding is the main key, no matter what, when you enter, when you exit, holding is the main key. And you can't virtually hold it till the end of the trend because you can't know the end of the trend, right? You think, oh, it's forming an N wave, N wave, N wave, and then it suddenly form a W, and then you see market will go up, and then you take a buy, and then suddenly market crashes, right? Happen will certainly 100% with you, right? Exit if you think key level of sport has opened. See, you will master Ishimoku only and only when you backtest it and you apply in on live market 6 months. 6 months is the break break even point when you start to when things start to click, right? So 6 months for my side, and if you have to like if you are more intelligent or more that, you can see it in 2 or 3 months, right? If any question, you can comment it in the YouTube section. I will reply it, or you can like go in the description and you can see my X account and can follow me or like ask question there, right? So this is an example of what I do. Okay, it's not zooming. So you see a golden cross, you see a change in Kumu, You see Kumo, you see Chico span, lagging span going up. You see this line going up. You see the price going up, and you see the buying side going, right? You see SL, you see buy. You don't see, just ignore the buy 0.01 or 0.1. That's not important, because if you think money uh, is the reason why I'm trading, that's not. Money is the byproduct, and why I'm trading is, yeah, mainly is for money, but because I like it, right? It's because I enjoy doing it, and yeah, just this. Okay, so I think the video is 21 minutes. Oh, okay, okay. So I will like share trading view also with you. You can see my voice is coming. Okay. So this is the chart you have seen. See golden cross, change in Kumo, Kumo thickness growing means the trend will go up, right? You see Chico span, right? You see Chico span going up. You see these prices also go up, right? It is coming down, I know, but it is, see, see clearly the line is going up, right? It can form a like dead cross here, but I will. I have my SL here below this. If this crosses this, I am up, right. You can't capture the whole momentum, right. You can only eat a fish if this is the fish and this is the tail of the fish, then you can only eat the body portion of the fish, not the head, not the tail, only the body, right. So always focus on the body part, always focus on this part, right. I am a vegetarian. Okay, so I will give analysis now, right? What I do in my videos, I am doing in live, right? Yeah, I'm doing. So BTC is still for me is 120 is the target. Ethereum, I don't want to say anything, just doing its stuff. I I don't want to jinx it more. I have jinxed it like more than 10 times now. So if you want to see the how the trend changes, you can just see DXY. See the DXY has fallen 11% from the January the Trump like entered to the April, and you can see Euro USD in the same period of time has gained 13.74%. Same trend, same bus, just opposite, right? Same with Pound USD, same with USD JPY, just opposite, and these also thing. So first we will talk about DXY, right? DXY for me is 100% going more down, right? Because of the economic thing and political thing. You can go on FX Empire, FX Trade, or MSN.com. You can read about it more, right? How the USD or the Trump tariffs are affecting the market. But USRT, if you are seeing technical only, you can see a more going up. But I can tell you like this is going down from it. This is going down, right? US oil is for me range now, but as you can see the production of the oil has increased by the Saudi Arabia, right. So what I am understanding is it will go more down. Gold is range for me, not talking about it. AUD if it broke the this level, see, these USD pairs from starting from euro to AUD are all dependent on DXY, not on their euro or GB pound or JP or CAD or this. But DXY is the main and the biggest factor why these market moves in a certain way, and while they will continue to do so, right? If the DXY go more down, they will go up, which have USD in the end. And if the DXY started to go up, they will go down, right? Just this. But the USD, but the if you want to see weekly, the very best case for me is in USD and in pound USD because of their Kumo shape and size and the golden cross happening. Right? This is a range. Right? USD is very good. So this is the video 26 minutes. I think. Yeah. Just have a good day.